na sa paliparan ng Maynila. Mangyari po lamang na ikabit ang seatbelt, ibaba ang armrest, ituwid ang sandalan ng kanilang upuan, tiklomin ang mesa at buksan ang window shade. Ladies and gentlemen, we have started our descent towards Manila. The captain has switched on the fasten seatbelt sign. Please return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt. Ensure your seat backs are in upright position. Armrest down. Stow your tray tables and open your window shades.